Hello everyone and welcome to HowToHQ. I'm your host and I'm so excited to bring you the best how-to tutorials and tips for all your needs. Here at HowToHQ, we're all about empowering you with the knowledge and skills you need to tackle anything. From fixing a leaky faucet to organizing your closet, we've got you covered. I've been a DIY enthusiast for as long as I can remember, and I have a passion for teaching others how to do things for themselves. That's why I started this channel, to share my knowledge and help you tackle any project with confidence. In the coming weeks and months, you can expect to see videos on a wide range of topics, including organization, DIY, and more. And I'll be there every step of the way, offering tips, tricks, and expert advice to help you succeed. But enough about me, let's get started. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And if you have any ideas for future videos or questions you'd like answered, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.